Hello everyone! Need to access the next or previous element inside a Python loop. It's crucial for time series, calculating difference, or moving averages. Let's see how to do it elegantly. The modern way. Let's run. Okay. Python itertools.pairwise creates a moving window of size 2. It automatically pairs adjacent elements without any index out of bounds error. Unpacking in a for loop. Okay, let's run and pin it. Just unpack the tupples directly in your loop. Now you have access to both the current and the next values simultaneously. The classic way. Okay. No imports. No problem. Use zip with list slicing. We zip the list with itself. Shifted by 1. Larger windows. Let's run. Pairwise is limited or pairs, but with zip you can easily scale to 3, 4 or more elements to build any sliding window you need. Understand these pure Python tricks help you write cleaner code and grasp what libraries like pandas do under the hood. Like and subscribe for more Python tips.